Congratulations, you made it to the end, and now this is your final stretch. You have a whole week to recap modules 1 through 10 and prepare for the final. Here's what we're going to cover this week. During this week, all of the 10 modules are to be revisited. So that means all the content for the sections in modules 1 through 10 need to be read. All the summary pages and summary videos for each of the modules 1 through 10 need to be reviewed. All the case studies and step-by-step case study videos contained in the modules 1 through 10 need to be revisited. The final prep assignment in preparation for the final needs to be done and submitted. Any open quizzes, any open assignments, any discussion board posts, or any other open key activities you haven't done so far, please submit it during this week for grading. This is important because this is your final week where all these elements need to be submitted. What you should end up after studying these 10 modules, what you should end up being able to do would be differentiate very clearly between the studio model and the independent model. You'll also be able to identify every important step of financing, producing, and distributing film and television content from the inception of an idea to the distribution of profits. You'll also be able to identify potential risks and pitfalls that can jeopardize the project and related profits. You'll be able to implement valid risk mitigation strategies to work against those pitfalls. And you'll be able to structure a solid finance plan for a film and television project that can yield favorable returns for investors and producers. So here are your final key activities for this week. You would submit the final by Sunday. You would submit all open quizzes, assignments, discussion board posts, and any open key activities for grading this week by Sunday. If you worked on an extra credit project that you wish to submit, please do so by Sunday as well. And if you joined the extra credit group project to finalize a project pitch deck business plan, this is the week you would finalize your presentation, which will happen on Zoom. And then finally, feel free to sign up for the Entertainment Finance Alumni Facebook group. I put the link in here, where we meet every month to discuss projects that you might be working on and that everyone is working on, and to catch up on the various things that are going on in the industry. So feel free to join us there on Facebook using this link. Thank you everyone for an amazing semester, for your fantastic questions, for your amazing work with me, and I really appreciate having met you all. Wishing you all the best, and please do not hesitate to stay in touch with me.